Come inside, officers. Come inside. Come inside. Come and search everywhere. Where is that criminal? Where is that boy? Where is he?
Onim, what is it now? Why did you carry the soldiers into our house?
I warned him, didn't I?
Warned who?
Ikechukwu. I warned him that if he did not pay me back my money, I was going to come at him with all the force in the country. But he didn't listen. Now here we are. Bet me. If he does not pay me my money today, he's going to smell the rod in Kirikiri.
So because Ikechukwu is owing you, that is why you went to carry a police and Kotima?
Oh, wait, it's not even complete to come. Where is the Air Force man that I told you to also invite?
He's coming. He's trying to park the helicopter on the roof.
Very good. Tell him to remain there. Yes, because the boy might try to escape through the fence. Okay. So let him stay there so that he will be able to get in. Okay. And tell him that it is shoot at sight, oh.
Okay, sir.
Shoot at Guinea. Nothing must happen to my brother. How much is he even owing you, Seth?
10,000 naira. That is how much he's owing me. 10,000 naira. Ikechukwu borrowed 10,000 naira from me over a year ago. And every time I ask him, he's always telling me stories of chicken and the river.
So because of common 10,000 naira, that's why you carry the whole Nigerian army into this house?
Oh, so 10,000 naira is now common?
Yes, na.
Oh yeah, give me then. No, since it's common, Madam Falarusho Alakija, give me the 10,000 naira now and the matter will end.
Give you what? Did you people call me when you were doing the business? Because leave me. Oh.
Bam! And you're calling it common. Give me the 10,000 naira now. You don't have. Look, officer, what are you waiting for? Search this house thoroughly. That boy must not escape. Enter, penetrate, and search. What is it?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I want to search this house.
Search which house? Where is your wallet? If you don't have any wallet, you cannot search my house.
Officer, go and search this thing. Now, what is going on?
You stopping me.
I brought police, Navy, Air Force, and just one woman is blocking you.
No wallet, no search. Yes, Agnes, no constitution. You think I did not go to school?
Officer, what is happening now? What is happening?
Oga, she's right though. You can't search this house without a search warrant.
Hey, then bring the warrant now.
This is in our office. We have to go back to the office to get it.
Now, come go and get that warrant. In fact, don't you tell that Air Force that is on the roof to carry his helicopter and go and bring the warrant. In fact, let him pack all the warrants that he can get, because this house we must search it today. That boy must not escape. Go and tell him. Tell him now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Enough is enough in this house.
Search where?
So,
but little should come and search.
They will pack you and him together.
Let me see who will carry me.
Okay, it is my knowledge. It is my knowledge. Keep bouncing. It is you and your bouncing things they will carry together. Stay there.
What is this elder doing here?
Sister?
Huh?
Is mine around?
Come, I hope you have his money. He is everywhere looking for you with army.
That one is small. See, I have plans. I have real plans. I'll pay him his money by tomorrow. I'm not safe.
How do you want to pay him?
See, I booked 150 million naira lotto. So by tomorrow now, I'll be 50 million naira richer. And I'll pay him how much? I'll pay him like 10,000 naira. I'll even add interest on top.
So you want to use lotto money and pay him?
Yes, now.
What if you don't win now?
Sister, this one is sure. Like sure, over sure. See, I saw the number in my dream, and as a sharp guy, I just wrote it down on a piece of paper. As you're looking at me now, I am a billionaire.
Oh, look. Don't go and look for work. Keep dreaming. Joseph. You one loser.
This is the way we dance this kind of dance. It was, sister, dance like this. Dance like this.
I have caught you. So you are owing me money and you have the audacity to be dancing. My friend, you move your nonsense hand. He'll lock you there. My friend, pay me my 10,000 naira before I sound you. Are you normal?
Uncle Ikechukwu is now a millionaire.
Ike Bobo is now a millionaire.
So, my friend, will you pay me my 10,000 naira before I wire you slap?
On him, it is true. Ikechukwu played one lottery yesterday and today he just won 50 million naira like that. Hey.
Who else will you support if not him? Who else do you think I'm going to believe that cock and bull story you are talking? Tell me my money, my friend.
Uncle, it is not cock and bull story. I am now a millionaire.
So.
And they've even paid me. Check out my account balance.
Account what?
Check it out.
Which nonsense account balance? How much
account
is it?
balance.
Come.
Look at it where.
Is it 50 million I'm looking at?
Yes. Mr. Lawansi, kindly tell me your account number. Let me send your money to you.
Which money?
The 10,000 naira I'm owing you. Tell me, let me send it. Sharp, no time.
My in-law. I mean, that is not money. See, if I give you money, I'm not expecting it back. After all, what are in-laws for?
Honey, is this not just yesterday that you brought...
Agnes, stop looking at the past. We need to focus on the future. Especially when the future is so bright.
So bright.
See, what people don't understand is that this is Ikechukwu that you're looking at. I knew it from day one that I met him. That is a young, vibrant man with potential. Oh yes. And that is why I could give him my money. You know how I am with my money. You understand? My money that I gave him was an investment. You see, you know I don't just give my money to just anybody.
So, he's no longer a useless boy.
What is your problem? Odogu!
My in-law!
You know what I want you to do? I need you to go into your room. I know it is not up to your standard, but you manage it for now.
It is not.
I can manage. Just go into your room, pour cold water on your head.
Cool water.
Relax your brain.
Relax my
so that
brain.
when you come back,
Yes.
we will talk about how to invest that money. Yeah. Live long.
Let me go and pour the cold water.
Please.
So that I can think like a millionaire.
If you need help, I can fetch water to bring.
No, you can pour water too.
Ikechukwu, you're a useless boy. You're smoking weed inside the parlor. Let my husband come back. You are leaving this house today. Ikechukwu, I said you are leaving this house today. Useless boy. You are leaving this house today.
Agnes, what is the problem? Why are you harassing the boy?
I catch this idiot smoking weed inside my parlor.
Is that what you are making us or you are disturbing him? Go down. Sorry, Jare Odogu. Is it true that you were smoking weed in our house?
My in-law, see, I just said let me just relax small.
Yes.
That's all.
Liar! You are a liar! I catch him smoking weed in the parlor.
Oh, you see, that is why people like you that don't know how to treat important people, go down. Let the boy talk. There's freedom of speech in this country. Allow him to express himself.
Thank you.
Please, Odogu,
Thank you, my in-law. My in-law, see, you know the sun is very hot.
I know.
I can't go outside now. So I just said let me just wrap one small weed. She started complaining.
Okay. So it's just a small wrap.
Small weed. Small.
Agnes.
Small.
Agnes, if it's just a small one, then what is the problem? Anyway, my in-law, the only thing you will do for me is that next time, you just go outside. Just look for one cool spot. It can be the backyard, I don't mind. And do it. You know there are children in the house. That's the only reason, If not, I mean, what's the big deal,
Honey, I catch him smoking weed in the parlor and this is all you have to say. You are betting him.
So what am I to do? No, tell me what am I to do? Am I to cut his head off? Okay, go inside the kitchen and bring me hammer and let me bludgeon his head. Because he will be the first person to smoke weed. What is your problem, Seth? I mean, everything. Ikechukwu this, Ikechukwu that. Will you be the first weed smoker? You don't know the kind of inspiration that even this smoking of weed gives people.
My in-law, you're very correct.
Honey.
What?
So this is all you have to say.
See, what you don't understand is even most of these big men that you see around, they smoke weed. Only that you don't know. I mean, okay, for example now, Bob Marley, he smokes weed. Bam! Lucky Dube, he smokes weed. Bam! Even Martin Luther King. I'm sure if he does not smoke weed, he won't be able to have all those big dreams he was having.
You're very small boy. No,
that's right. That's it. But anyway, don't mind her. She cannot understand what we're talking about. You cannot understand. See, Odogu, I need you to understand one thing. You see, when you get to this kind of level, you understand, you will have enemies. Then even those ones that you thought were friends before, they begin to reveal their true nature to you. Now you will know who is truly your friend and who is your enemy. You will know those who are standing behind you and those who want you to fall. But let us forget all that one, I bought us something. Yes, yes.
What is it now?
That is it. Check it out.
What is it?
Check it out.
Express forever.
Branded. Let us take selfie. Let us, yes. This is not it's not a small something. To have a millionaire in my house. Do you know that by association I have become a millionaire? We have to let them know in this estate that the status quo has changed.
Wonderful. It's my size.
Nobody knows you as I know you now.
My in-law.
That is me.
Hey.
So the next thing that we're going to do now is that we're going to take a selfie. I mean, we have to. It is very important.
Millionaire selfie.
You are too much. All right, that is the millionaire pose. Check it out. One more. Let me act like a young guy.
Let me be counting.
Oh, that is the money counting. You are too much. That is it.
Millionaire star.
That is it. Don't let anybody bother you.
I won't let them bother me.
Money stops nonsense.
Money stops rubbish.
Stops bullshit.
But I will still be smoking my
But not inside the house. So we build a shop here.
Yes.
Then we build another one here. Then we will now build one. We build it right here.
That's 3.
Then you remember that woman that used to sell frozen foods?
Frozen food.
That woman that used to sell turkey and things like that.
Okay, yes.
Yes, we build the shop right in front of her. In fact, my plan is for us to buy her shop and build but we build it right in front of her shop. Let me see how she will be selling things.
Hey, my in-law, you're too much.
You know she has bad mouth. I want to show her that I am.
Show her pepper.
In fact, by the time we are done, this is our name. IK Law Supermart will become a household name in this country.
IK Law. Why not just IK now? It's me now.
What is that? Are we not partners? Ike Chuku Lawansen. You know it is we are contributing brain. You are bringing funds. In fact, this is how big men do. Hey, check him. Can you see there's a difference?
Yes.
A millionaire wine and the normal one we used to drink before.
Before it's all this
No, I have to buy you the this is investment. So now this other street as well, I'm thinking that maybe for that other street we can do like one very long shopping complex.
Long shopping complex. Wonderful.
For that other
It's all right. Yes.
Yes, come in. Mazi.
Chief.
No. You're welcome.
Yes, so where is Ikechukwu?
What do you want with Ikechukwu? He's sleeping. He's observing his siesta.
Ike, my guy. Ike, Baba.
What is your problem? I told you somebody is sleeping. You are shouting like one market woman. Allow the boy to enjoy his well-deserved rest now.
I have a business proposal for him.
You cannot even pronounce the English very well and you want to do business. What is the business proposal you have? Just sit down.
See, you know that now that Ikechukwu has 50 million, he needs somebody to help him and manage the money, and I'm very good. I can help him manage money. So I just say, let me tell him, so that he will let me be his money manager. Let me propose, tell him.
I get you. I'm a good manager for money. Then to propose it, Martin, let me warn you. Let me warn you. And this warning that I want to give to you will be the first and last one. Mazi, do not let me see you anywhere near Ikechukwu. Do you understand?
But Chief, I'm just trying to...
But what is your problem now? Where were you? No, tell me, where were you? Where were you when he was a nobody? Where were you when I was nurturing him? Now you can see that the boy has small money now. You want to manage him. You want to propose him.
Chief, it's just a business yeah.
Pro what? Now what are you proposing? Is he a woman that you want to propose to him? Is he a woman? Eh? Come! Mazi, you need to be very careful, oh. No, you need to be very careful. Because if I see you anywhere near Ikechukwu, if I see you in fact, I will cross the 7 rivers and 7 seas. And I will make sure that I block your anus. Yes, I will block your anus. That it is bicycle spoke they'll be using to collect feces from inside it. Do you understand me?
Chief.
You're still here. No, it's like you are still sitting down.
It's alright, let me be going.
Chief! Imagine, will you get out? Get out! Face where your back was facing or where your front was facing or whatever it is. Nonsense! Imagine this rubbish, yo! Imagine this rubbish. Where was he? When I was building this boy, when I was building him, when I was giving him a future, giving him a very bright future, where were you? Now, because the boy has more money now, he wants to come and do management. Nonsense. Come, let me see you near him and see if I won't use stone to open your skull. You will be reading. Nonsense. What was that? Ike Baba, Ikechukwu Odogwu himself. Come, the papers are ready. Yes, so we are good to go now. The papers are ready. The lion himself. The papers are here, are finally ready. I'm sorry it took a while. I had to, make sure that everything was intact. So all you have to do is just sign everything and then release the funds and we're good to go.
There's a problem.
Problem? Did anybody try to hurt you? No, tell me, if anybody tries to hurt you, I will get to class and I will deal with... Who is the person?
I invested the money in Bitcoin and I lost it.
Odogu. See, this is why I am your business manager. And you should have told me about this thing that, okay, you intend to invest in something, and I would have done what we call risk evaluation and advised you accordingly. But it's all right. At least you've learned your lesson from that one. Anything you want to do next time, tell me. I will advise you on how to proceed. But don't worry, just as soon as you sign these papers now and release funds, I'll be totally in charge and you won't make such mistakes again.
I know, you don't understand. I invested the whole money and I lost it. Bitcoin market, I invested in Bitcoin market and the market crashed.
Which market crashed? No, I did not hear of any market crashing. Where is the market? Is it in Lagos?
It is Bitcoin market. I put the whole 50 million inside and I lost everything. Okay,
wait first. All right, so like how much is remaining from at least whatever amount you lost? Let's know. Then let's know what is remaining. Then we'll turn that one over once you sign. Even if it is 2 shops, we'll start with. At least from there we'll grow. So like how much is remaining?
No, there's nothing remaining in the bank. There's not. I invested the whole 50 million. The whole 50 million. I lost everything. Lost everything.
You lost the whole 50 million.
Vroom.
Vroom.
Yes.
Okay. There's no problem. There's no problem. Just to refund my 10,000 naira that you are owing me, then we'll balance the account from there.
I know there's no more money. There's no more money. There's no more money in the bank. I lost everything. See, the only money I have here is just this 100 naira. It's the only money I have. This is the only money I have. It's just the 100 naira.
100 naira is the only money that you have.
This is the only money I have left, sir. There's no money.
After having 50 million in the account, now you have
Bitcoin.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
No, what this means is that you will simply have to relocate to Kirikiri.
Sir?
That is it, man. That is the meaning.
Hey.
That is it.
Kirikiri.
Why are you arranging leg?
No, I was just thinking about the Kirikiri.
So why are you not arranging leg?
It's just that.
Why are you arranging? You think I didn't see you? You think I didn't see you trying to make movement? If you move, if I grab things, if I grab a handful of things, you know this is not this one that we're talking about.
We're best friends forever.
Thunder fire you and that your best friend. Who is your best friend?
Best friends.
Who is your best friend?
Best friends forever, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Hello, Officer Tunde. I have caught a criminal. Oh.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
I have caught a big fish. So I need you to come, and when you come, don't come alone. Come with Air Force, with Navy, with road safety. In fact, come with Amotekun. In fact, I think I prefer that Amotekun with OPC. Those ones have jazz. They need to knock him jazz first before they carry him.
Please, sir. Beg you, sir.
I'm waiting for you.
Sir.
Thank you.
Best friends forever, sir. Please, sir.
See, if I uppercut you from below,
please, sir.
didn't I tell you were going to rot in Kirikiri? You thought I was joking, not so?
My in-law is me. It's me.
Which in-law?
Please.
Outlaw! Outlaw!
Please.
Officer, go and lock up this criminal. You tell them to know the one here. Imagine, yesterday this idiot had 50 million naira. Carried every cover and went and invested it on coins. When you tell people to stop smoking weed, they will not hear. Coins! Can you look? Lock him up, oh! Lock him up and bring me the keys. Let him be keep because I don't want to hear story that he escaped. Nonsense! Imagine from 50 million naira to 100 naira. 50 million. How do you even do that kind of calculation? 50 million to 100. Nonsense. 50 million. In fact, this 100 naira, I think it's better I just keep it. Let me take it as advance payment out of my 10,000 naira. At least now I have 9,900 naira to collect from you when you come back from prison. No, so see, I didn't even calculate the money of this agreement I did and the wine and all the... Don't worry. Even the t-shirt, the polo that I made, you will pay every cover. Criminal. Nonsense.